everyone, my name is Celeste and I am a Gleim Rep Ambassador with East Tennessee State University, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Gleim Rep Ambassador box. I haven't looked at this yet, so I'm really excited about it. Let's get into it. So on top I see some informational packets, and then moving into the actual box we've got a Gleim, some sort of tote bag situation. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's so nice. It says Gleim Exam Prep on the front. Looks like a sort of laptop sleeve or something to hold papers. That'll be really great to hand out things at different events. Going more into the box, we've got a t-shirt that says "Cost I Said So." We love a good accounting pun. I'm really excited to wear that. And then we've also got just a Gleim Campus Rep t-shirt that says "Ask the Expert," which I love. I love being able to show off Gleim and showing off the knowledge. We've also got some stress balls, which will be really great during exams and exam prep. Got a few of those actually. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a little Gleim bag, which will be really nice. Looks like we've also got some more t-shirts, which says Gleim #FutureCPA, which I know we're all looking forward to getting that certification. Let's see what else we've got. We've also got another t-shirt that says #LifeOfTheParty, which I love. Again, another great accounting pun. Let's look what else we've got. So we've got an exam supplement book for federal tax, which that will be so great to use for myself, as well as be able to show it off to different people to kind of show what Gleim's all about. It looks like it's got a lot of discussion questions, which will be really great to look at. And it's nice to have a physical book rather than always having to look online, because Gleim offers both of those. Looks like we've also got some more fun stuff in here. We've got some Frisbees, which is really exciting. We've got some little Gleim notebooks, it looks like. These have a little pin attached to it, which is really great. Let's see what else we've got. We've got something in a tube here. Oh, we've got some posters, which is awesome. I can't wait to hang those up around my school. We've also got some pins, which are great to hand out at events and different places to network. Look at what we've got. Some more notebooks. Also some notepads. Those are great for putting in your books, as well as just handing out, because people always need sticky notes. We've also got some, these are just informational handouts, which are really great for events as well. Some stickers. Everybody loves stickers, so these are awesome. And then we've also got just some informational packets here at the bottom. This is one for the enrolled agent, which Gleim also offers, and that's a really great addition to the CPA, or just to have on its own. And we've also got packets for the CIA and the CPA. These are great as well for various events and networking options. So I'm really excited to hand those out. Thanks again to Gleim for sending me this box, and I'm looking forward to the campus rep.